Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you update all the drivers available in your Windows if Windows has released updates for those drivers. So sometimes Windows releases updates for the drivers, but when we have kept our PC all up to date with the latest Windows updates, then also it is not updated with the latest drivers. So we need to perform this step manually. So how do we do that? First of all, you need to go to the search tab and type in settings to bring up the settings app. Once it is opened, go to update and security and go to Windows update. Once you are in Windows update, then you will find that there is a notification that optional quality update is available. So if this is available, that means there are some of the driver updates that could be available and that you need to install manually. So for this, what you need to do is go to view all optional updates option. Here you will find Windows updates and the driver updates. So expand on the driver updates. Here you will find the different driver updates that consists of the drivers currently being used by your PC. So for all the updates, or if you want for the specific updates, you can just select those particular drivers and then click on download and install. So it would start downloading and updating all those drivers. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.